Hi, I'm Rob from Cave Direct and we're at the Beer Merchant's Tap, and today we're going to look at what you do if a beer line isn't pouring. First thing you want to check is the flow control. And what you want to do is just push it down to see if any beer comes out. If this doesn't happen, you want to go into your cellar and look at a few things. First up, an obvious one, but check there's beer in the keg. If there's definitely beer in the keg, check the coupler to make sure it's the correct one and it's fastened securely. Then we're going to go over to the wall and look at the cellar buoy. You want to check to see if the ball in the cellar buoy is floating to the top, and if it's not, make sure it is by pushing up the black lever on the bottom. If the ball has dropped, it will stop the flow and it will stop beer getting into your tap. The last thing you want to check is the gas to make sure the gas is in the regulator and getting to the beer. You can also check this by pushing this down and make sure that beer is coming out. Last thing you want to check is your primary regulator to see if there's gas in your canister. You can see here that this one is full and here that this one is empty. If it's empty, change the canister and then test the fob detector. Now you've done those checks and you've made sure that the gas canisters are full, you'll want to check the keg because there is a chance it could be faulty. If you've got a faulty keg, you test this by putting it on a new keg, and if it pours fine, there's a problem with the keg. If it's not a faulty keg, you'll want to check the cooler because there could be something more serious underlining. Either way, you'll want to contact your rep at Cave Direct. He'll get a technician out to do proper, more thorough checks.